two imagined characters. And I was imagining people that grew up in like a very small place, not like geographically small necessarily, but just narrow. And in that narrow place, one of the characters said and did some things that were pretty hurtful, and then he got older and he realized that there was like a bigger way to be in the world, and kind of wanted to atone for who he was when he was younger. I think it's really hard to leave space for people to process the ways that they were an asshole. But it's a good thing to do because we all were assholes. On Red Station Wagon. I can still see that red station wagon on the street by your house. We'd walk to rent movies and wander our way across town, out away from your dad. You were always so easily found. You'd let your hands dance and you'd let yourself laugh out loud. Hey, I remember. Oh, and that night on the roof of the school, we were talking at stars, and you said that you might be afraid of who you really are. And your hand touched my hand and retreated in that desperate dark. Oh, I called you a faggot and laughed and punched you in the arm. I don't believe it. I can't believe it now. I can't believe how I let you down. The church was a boot on your neck since the day you were born. They didn't like the way that you talk or how you move in the world, how you glide like a leaf on the water, all gentle and kind. Oh, the world wants a man who's hard, not hard to define. And you feel like a child that the God of all forgot to name. Like he gave you a heart, but he did not give you a place. Did he breathe into you just to tell you that you are to blame? Did he breathe into you just to tell you that you are to blame? I don't believe it. I don't believe it now. I don't believe how I let you down. Did he breathe into you just to tell you that you are to blame?
Did he breathe into you just to tell you that you are to blame? I don't believe it. I don't believe it now. I don't believe it. I don't believe it now. I don't believe it. I don't believe it now.